skin and your complexion on your hand. It's like, you know, after this, then your hand will have like a new skin. I'll show it to you later, okay? It's like damn cool. You have to spray up evenly so it will dry faster. And after that, you will see your old skin coming off. Then it's like, what's this called? Exfoliation. Yes, this is called exfoliation. Okay, let's wait for the results to be shown. Look at my face, okay?
Stop it. No. Look at the shop table.
I think you have to wait for a minute. It's not drying yet. Stop following me. You'll see the results very soon. So you will dry faster. Someone stole my favorite Chevrolet. Check out my hair, yo!
Is it dry yet?
It's not dry yet. I step on your face, you know. I got you.
After 5 minutes.
It's actually more than 5 minutes.
It's actually quite painful.
You put that for hair, you know.
Can you see it's exfoliating? Can you see not? Can you see?
You have to be rough.
Can you see? Can you see the result?
The drastic changes.
Wow!
You see? She sunburned it, her hair like that. That's blue. No, it's not.
Wow!
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na.
Okay, how about yours? Dry already?
Oh yeah. Go away. It's like the results after like forever, I don't know what, but can you see like my dead skin is kind of like coming out, so this thing is very effective. Let me show it to you. You can like literally peel it off. Check it out, baby. See, this is my dead skin. These are things that are on your hands but you don't know. They're just this disgusting. They are the things that cause all your wrinkles and your aging and your what. If you just put this all over your body every day, you'll just be like 25 every year, you know? Your age will become constant. Although it's like quite painful because it may pull out your hair, but whatever it is, it's damn cool shit. And then all you have to do is just rub it and rub it and rub it to clear the last beads. Say with me, rub it, rub it, rub it.
Rub it, rub it.
That's right. See, this is the after. This is the before. Look at the big difference. This is so ugly. This is so young and pretty. Okay, so this is like our product. It's really good and you should just get it after watching the video. It's like for like I think 50 cents or something, and it will help you like, it will stop your aging.